Okay guys, I lied. I'm not on my phone. I'm back on this camera. Apparently I have to delete a bunch of stuff off my phone because there's no room for anything and I don't have time for that right now. I'm making a little waffle right now. It's like this cinnamon sugar or cinnamon swirl. It's pretty good. It's like a protein powder. I just want to watch Christmas movies all day. I have a thing that I have to do for work later tonight. It's like our last thing that I need to be involved in. I'm really excited because I ordered a plant light. Thank you so much for everyone's tips on the plants. I still need to clean this mess up, but I'm thinking I probably... Ooh, this grass feels crazy. I need to clean this up, but I'm thinking of putting the plants in the window. I guess my only concern was if it gets too cold, will they die? So I just assume that if I have them away from the window, they're not going to be as cold. Hi guys, good morning. So I feel like, I don't know, I think I've vlogged a little bit, but I honestly don't remember. This is the problem. Anyways, Raven is sleeping over there on my couch. I'm gonna do my makeup. Guys, yesterday was the last day at one of my jobs and I honestly couldn't be any happier. I'm really excited about this. I'm drinking coffee. I kind of did like a little, I did like a little protein shake blended up with ice and then mixed it with my coffee. My intention was to make like a frappuccino, but the ratio was off to where it's just like iced coffee now, which is fine. And then I added a little bit of almond milk and cinnamon in there. It's pretty good. I was just on Hulu. I don't know if you guys are watching Christmas movies. I would assume so, but I don't want to assume so. There's a new one on Hulu. It has Lucy Hale in it. I want to watch it. I love her and I just feel like I need to watch that. I was gonna watch it while I got ready, but then I'm like, I feel like that's a movie I need to watch drinking coffee or tea, like just in my sweatpants, just in a big old like pile of blankets. You know, those kinds of movies. I have a few gifts that I need to wrap up for Joe that I will be doing. Sorry, I'm talking to my friend about plant lights. I think I told you guys I ordered a plant light. It should be coming in today. I'm really excited about it. I want plants everywhere, and I was even looking online at fake plants. I'm like, maybe I'm gonna have to just do like a variety. Joe was sweet and got me these beautiful flowers. He got 2 different kinds of bouquets and then added them in together. I love doing that when I give flowers. I'll buy like a few bundles and then kind of make my own arrangement. And he did such a good job. These are my flowers for my last day of work yesterday. I thought that was really sweet. And then he also bought me a bottle of champagne to celebrate. But enough of that talk. I'm feeling really itchy today. I'm gonna go ahead and get my makeup on. See you guys in a bit. Listening to a cozy Christmas coffee shop ambiance. It has fireplace sounds, Christmas music, people talking lightly so you feel like you're at a coffee shop. Didn't feel like washing my hair, so I'm just wearing it like this. It's kind of different, but I don't feel like blow drying my bangs. I posted a story on Instagram and people were commenting on how blonde my hair was. I think it just looks lighter whenever I straighten it. My hair's always done that for some reason. It's just what it looked like underneath all of the orange and yellow that I had. So since all of that is kind of fading, this is what's underneath. And I don't want to keep it this blonde. I don't think. If anything, I just might add some low lights just to break it up a little bit. When I look at old pictures when my hair was more like a golden brown with blonde in it, added more life into my face. I did find this cute paper from Target. It has these little snowmen on it. I guess it just probably looks like any other Christmas paper that you've probably seen. I've been awful at vlogging.
What?
I've been awful at vlogging. Hi guys, so it's Sunday morning. We are cooking breakfast right now. Joe's working on the mimosas, biscuits and gravy. What kind of orange juice is this?
Right there, Tropicana.
Oh, that's tasty.
Good? All right.
Cheers to Sunday morning. Where's yours?
I'm making it.
Oh, okay. I'm also trying to finish my coffee because it tastes really good today. Today I did the Dear Santa, which is the peppermint one. And then I added this almond milk creamer. It's, I think I talked about it earlier in this vlog. I don't know. It's the dairy-free mint cocoa. Added some of the white chocolate mocha syrup. Christmas vacation. I'm gonna scarf down all of these biscuits and swim in all the gravy that I can. Why is Raven literally the cutest? It's a new day. It's Monday. We have started. We've officially started Christmas vacation. I'm excited. 2021. What's it gonna be like?
Much better.
Hopefully, we'll see. Raven is hanging out with us. We're getting ready to, well actually we just worked out and
Sam
then
made me an egg sandwich.
Yep, made Joe an egg sandwich. We had some leftover biscuits from Biscuits and Gravy yesterday. And we're about to watch 90 Day Fiancé. I'm gonna go see Christmas lights later too, and Raven's gonna come along with us. Let me know if you are watching it. It's not my favorite season. It's not my favorite group. I like Paul and Sinjin and all of them. Joe kind of has to pull my teeth when he wants to watch this one, but it's fine. We'll catch up with you in a bit. So it's a little bit later. We had our coffee and breakfast and watched 90 Day Fiancé.
Yes, we did.
And I will say I'm starting to like it a little bit more. I'm getting to know the people, which takes me a while. Joe found these toy capsule collectibles during Halloween. Someone had posted it in his horror group, Joe's House of Horror on Facebook. Go check it out. A little shout out for Joe. Yeah. We didn't open these during Halloween, which we forgot about them kind of, and then we were like, let's save them for 12 Days of Christmas, which we've been forgetting, I guess. We're gonna open one now. Raven's wondering what's happening. This is the Halloween 2 collection, and then Joe also got the Child's Play one. So thought we'd open one for you guys on the vlog. Ready?
Yes.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, what is it, a pin?
It's a little keychain.
Oh.
Wow, what a nice surprise. Michael Myers keychain.
Cool.
It's better than I thought it was gonna be.
It's pretty cool.
I wasn't really sure what to expect.
Chucky keychain. Pretty cool.
Now what are we gonna do, Joe?
We're gonna go Christmas shopping for Sam's present, I think.
Online shopping.
Yes. And then we're going to look at Christmas lights later because we saw that they did a Great Light Fight show on ABC. You're Raven. She hates when we stand around.
What?
Great Light Fight on ABC. There's a house that won the whole contest apparently. So we're going to go look at those lights because they're supposed to be pretty amazing.
A little bit later, we are getting our coffees ready because we're gonna go look at the Christmas lights. Gonna take Maven because she wants to look at some Christmas lights too.
Yep.
Oh, we watched the horror holiday special of Creep Show.
Yes.
Yeah, it was okay.
I wouldn't watch it again though, I don't think.
No, I wouldn't either.
Well, where are the festive mugs then?
They are festive. These are my fall Charlie Brown ones.
Okay. Well, where's the Charlie Brown?
Well, I'll show you some
sleeves. Oh. I want the sleeve. No, you don't want to waste them?
These ones, aren't they adorable?
Those are fun. Yes.
Isn't that cute? And it goes with these little mugs. Here we come. Santa's coming to town. In the car, it's heating up. We have Raven back there. It's actually not cold outside, if that makes sense. Like it's cold, but it's not awful. Joe's just kind of cleaning up the ice on the windows. Not a lot of ice, just kind of like a very thin layer, if that makes sense. It's our new neighbor. They moved in. I feel like they hate us. Shane, I feel like our new neighbor hates us.
No,
Did you guys say hi?
she's been nice to me a couple times when I've conversed.
Okay. Alright. Light update.
Light update.
Light update. So apparently this was more popular than we thought it would be.
Well, it was on national television.
Okay, well, I guess, well, you weren't planning on it.
I mean, I
being
knew
like
it was
this
gonna be.
either.
I knew it was gonna be busy. But
Okay. It looked amazing from what we could see. We were going this way, but then we had to turn around, had to let Raven out to take a little pee break. We are back in line, and I don't think we're gonna get there in time because Joe said he thinks they shut the lights off at 9.
Yeah.
Maybe, since it's closer to Christmas, maybe they'll keep it on.
Maybe.
But
I mean, I don't know, that light bill, you know, I don't.
Yeah, it looked so beautiful, you guys. It was like, I just saw this waterfall of all of these beautiful lights. They turn off the lights by the time we get there. Before we get there, we can just come back tomorrow. That's just a little update for you guys. Crossing my fingers that we'll make it in time, and if not, it's totally fine. Pup check. Pup check, look how cute Raven is. Oh, she's like, that's great. Alright, just got home from the Christmas lights. Yeah, great time. It was fun. Now we're gonna eat some dinner, and then we're gonna watch some Hulu to see what options they have as far as holiday TV. Watched a Christmas episode of Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Watched a few episodes of Girlfriends on Netflix. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us, seeing some Christmas lights. Hopefully we'll do some Christmas baking real soon. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Any engagement is appreciated. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click your notifications. That way you know when there's a new video. Hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Can't even see her. Oh, she's giving me kisses.